Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm AK Jenfi. I hope you are doing good. Today's video, as you can see, I'm having my bike in front of me. We are going to do something very simple. The bike is having a little problem, and we have to. It's not a problem. It's like I have to replace something that looks damaged, but it's working perfectly. I have not had any issue with it, but I want to replace the broken part just to be like just to feel safe than feel sorry later on. I will take you guys very closer. As you can see, I've removed the saddle from the bike. As you can see over here, this is the ECU over here. Then show ECU. There is two connectors over here. This one is what I want to replace. I bought a new one that I'm going to replace it with. Though I'm not having any issue with it, it's working perfectly. The two connectors, this one is for like the engine, any wiring concerning the engine, like the spark plugs, the ignition coils, tip over sensor, speed sensor, throttle, servo motor, like everything that's concerning the engine. Whilst this one is for the lights, the headlights and navigators, like whatever is concerned lightning, like the lightning system, is this one. So like I want to replace this evening. I want to replace this connector over here. When I bought the bike, it was broken. Someone like trying to connect it, broke it. And when I bought it, I found out it's broken. So I searched on the internet. I went to Yamaha dealership to get the connector, a new connector. They told me they don't have it. So I searched on Google, and through Google I was able to find an online shop that sells all the connectors for both cars and bike. I'll put in under the description. I'll put in the description where I bought it, the shop, the online shop I found the connector. I've heard people like whilst the bike will be going, the connector would come back a little bit, so the bike will stop, and just by pushing inside, like pushing it further inside, the bike will start back up. Many people have been having issues when it's broken like this. In my case, nothing of this kind of happened to me, though the bike is having a problem. But I've done all the diagnostic checks. I found out where the problem is. That doesn't concern this place. Hey guys, now I'm going to disconnect the connector over here. I'm going to disconnect it. Because I can't like hold the top, because the top is broken. I have to just hold it and wiggle it, and it will come off. There we are. Now I'm going to put up the new one. Here's the new one. As you can see, there is the connector inside. It came with the pins. How many pins is written over here? The connector is called Super Seal. It's a 34 pin connector. 34. I'm not having no issue with the pins, so I'm not going to use the pins. What I'm interested is the connector. I'm interested in the connector, so I'm going to pull out the connector. When you are buying it, you have to make sure it's the same, the amount of pins pin over here, the amount of the wiring pin that goes into it match the original. Then at the top here, let me use this to help you guys. Here we do have the lock mechanism, one over here, another one over here, and under here you do have one straight. There they are, one over here, one over here, and the other one over here. Not all connectors are the same, so you have to, like, before buying it, you have to look very good into it, or else you buy the wrong one. Over here, as you guys can see, there's two tabs over here, and there's a big a big one over here, a big tab over here. I'm going to remove the wires one after the other, and to be able to do that, I have to push this tab over here, the bottom one. Pushing the bottom one, it's these two tabs, little two tabs over here, is going to come up to allow the wires to come up, to allow the wiring pins to come up. So I'm going to push the bottom one over here like this. See, now the two tops are up, they are not flat like they used to be. The big one is inside, going inside, and the two tops came up. From here onwards, you have to be very careful because this the new connector over here, and at the back you have numbers. You have number 1 over here, then you have 9 over here, you have 10 over there, you have 17, 18, 25, and so on, 26, 34. It has wire numbers at the back. The same matches the original. I'm going to remove the insulator electrician solid tape over here. I'm going to remove it just to have much more access to pull the pin, the wiring pin out. I'm going to remove it temporarily. Well guys, this is my number 1 wire over here. Number 1 is this one. This wiring is an orange, so I'm going to pull it out, making sure it comes out with my bare hands. I don't know if it's going to work. So here's the new connector over here. Before we put the pin inside, we have to do the same thing that we did on the old connector. We have to do the same thing, like we have to make sure that the tap underneath, we push the big tap underneath over here. Perfect. Now we are going to put the first pin inside. You are supposed to hear a click sound. I didn't hear the click sound, but as you guys can see over here, we can see that the wires, the pin has made its way to here. You can see the tip over there. Yeah, I can see it on the camera, so as you guys can see as well. There it is. Here's the tip of the pin. We are going to go ahead, remove the second one. There we are with the second one. Over here. Here we are with the second one. It's going to take me much more time, but I won't record like all of the wires, me pulling the wires and putting it here. So I'm going to like jump ahead, and I will bring you guys back up when it like showing you guys some of them. But I'm helping myself with the pin. I'm helping myself with this little ply because the last one with my bare hands is not going inside. So like if you find yourself with your bare hands, you can put it inside. It's cold, and my hands are cold not right now. So you guys, as you can see over here, we are able to do one line over here. 9 pins, it's all inside. We have all the way to go to the bottom. I'm going to do the second line, and I'll bring you guys back up to see it, what I'm doing, what everything is going on. Here's the last wire we have on the second row. This last wire I'm pulling out. Some of the wires are big, whilst the others are small. So you have to make sure that there is a difference between the wires. super tight over here. The second row is done. Now we are going to pass to the third row of number 18 over here, this black wire. It's 18 over here. We are left with the bottom line, last row of pins to remove. Then we are done. Have a thick black wire. There, it's not coming off. It's the only wire I've used the ply to pull out. Other than that, I use the pliers to push it inside. It's super stuck. I want to see the number. 26 is the 26th pin that we remove. We are the last two. Here's the last one. There we have the old connector in our hands. Going to put it aside. And put the pin inside here. They are all there. You can see the head. Perfect. When you are sure that you can see them at the top here, like everything look good and perfect. Now you have to press these two tabs over here back inside. You have to press it. They will hold the pin firmly so that they don't come off in the near future. They won't come off. Now I'm going to connect the connector to the ECU and see how it is. Perfect. Let's try to remove it. There we are. Perfect. It was somehow like this. It's connected back to the ECU. Perfect. Whilst I was working on the connector, this came off because I was rubbing my hands multiple times on it. This is right here. Let me pull everything from the bike so that we can start the bike up. I'm going to start the bike up and see if everything is good. Everything is like perfect as it was before. So this bottom, then the kill switch over here. For now on the dashboard, like we don't have any problem. It's neutral. Everything is like perfect as it was before. Maybe the time might be wrong, I don't know. Or maybe it's but I'm not very interested in the time. Let's see if it starts up. I switched it on. I let it warm up for a while. The engine light didn't come up when the bike have issue, like for a while that I've been using it. When there is a issue, the engine light will pop up and it will like there will be an error code showing the bike have an issue. No error code came up, so I think we did a perfect work over there. I hope this video helps you out. If there is a question you want to ask me, can I post it, like you can comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more. See you next time. I'll be putting the link where I purchased the connector from, so don't forget to look over there. Subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.